Your Excellency Salman, forgive us, we have become new Muslims, and we do not know much about the ways of the Holy Prophet.
Your Excellency, we have been living under the oppression of kings for centuries, but when we heard that you have become the ruler, we have done all this voluntarily, and this is nothing new. And yes, when will all your goods arrive?
I have brought with me the things I need.
But my lord, you have these few things and nothing else. Is that everything?
I have brought with me all the things I need. See, the Quran, the tablecloth, the sword, the mat, and a jar full of water.
But father, how will he be able to live with such a few things?
What is your name, son?
Roseby, my lord.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
You know, kid, when I was of your age, my name was also Roseby.
What, really?
But later, the Prophet chose the name Salman for me.
That's a beautiful name.
When he gave me this name, that day was the best day of my life. Whenever people call me by this name, the memory of the Holy Prophet is refreshed in my heart.
You reminded me of the Prophet, and that you are a servant of God, and that you should not bow before anyone other than God.
Well done, my child. Do you like to be a servant of God?
Yes.
So from today your name is Abdullah.
Abdullah?
Accept this gift from me. Do you know the meaning of Abdullah?
No, I don't know.
It means the servant of God, and let me tell you that Abdullah is also the name of the Prophet's father.
What a beautiful name. Thank you very much, my lord.
You are such an intelligent boy, you can definitely show me the way to the mosque.
The way to the mosque is from this side.
Distribute all these things to the needy. I have brought my food as per the need. Come on, my son.
The truth is that everything we heard about him is real.
Have you seen the Holy Prophet? I want to know about him.
Tell me, do you know Najashi?
No, I don't know them.
The king of Abyssinia is called Najashi. About 30 years ago he became curious to know and learn about the Holy Prophet. This was the time when a group of Muslims, fed up with idolaters, migrated to Abyssinia. Najashi had asked the same question to their leader, whose name was Jaffer. So do you know what Jaffer said to them?
No.
The Prophet is a member of our nation, who has a high level of chastity and generosity. He called for monotheism and declared idolatry invalid. The Prophet wants us to be honest, to stay away from impurity, to be kind to our relatives and neighbors, and to refrain from evil deeds.
My lord, the mosque is there. What happened then?
Do you know whose house it is?
Many years have passed and no one lives in it. Its owner has bought another house.
Can you take me to his house?
Why?
So that I can buy this house from him.
This house? Won't you stay in the palace?
I thought you must have recognized me to some extent, kid. You will help me find the owner of the house, in return for which I will tell you the things you desire.
Why not, my lord?
If you want us to be good friends, then do not do this in the future. You may have forgotten that you do not need to bow before anyone other than God. You are neither a slave nor am I God.
I didn't mean to offend you.
If I succeed in buying this house, I will give you this first basket as a gift.
I have taken my gift.
What gift? Abdullah. Oh Abdullah.
From today, my name is Abdullah. 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 Hello.
What are you doing here, son?
You were resting?
I remember my promise. Abdullah, do you know towards which direction we pray?
No, I don't know.
So let me tell you about the Holy Kaaba. Several thousand years ago, the great prophet of God, Abraham, was commanded to build the Kaaba in a splendid and humble manner, so that it would be a place of worship for the one and only God. So Abraham and Ismail chose a valley between the mountains. Abraham and his son Ismail started building the Kaaba. When Abraham and Ismail built the walls of the Kaaba, he looked at the sky and prayed, Lord, make this city a city of peace and enrich its inhabitants who believe in you and the hereafter. Soon, the valley was settled and the land became a major city in Arabia. And then my son Abdullah, people used to come to Mecca every year from far and near to visit the house of God.